Hello and welcome to our YouTube video on different variants of Form 1040. Form 1040 is the primary tax form used by individuals to file their federal income tax returns with the IRS, Internal Revenue Services. However, over the years, the IRS has introduced various versions of Form 1040 to cater to different tax situations. In this video, we will discussing the different variants of Form 1040 in detail. So we are on IRS official website. Here we have a search bar. I have typed it, type 10 Form 1040 here. Let's search it. So this is the link for Form 1040 US individual tax return. So this is the standard version of Form 1040 which is used by individuals to file their income tax. Remember that I want to mention here that this form is applied by salary persons who are working on salary or wages. Secondly, self-employed persons who are working from home, online, Fiverr, or doing freelancing from any, you can say that from any uh, application or any platform. Next, single member LLC. Single member LLC. Single member LLC means only one owner of that LLC. LLC with single owner means single member LLC. Okay, this standard form of 1040 is used by most taxpayers to report their income, deductions, and tax credits. It includes several schedules that allow taxpayers to report additional income and deductions, such as Schedule A is used for itemized deductions, and Schedule C is used for self-employment income. So this is standard form of form 1040, and this is filed by a person who is working on wages or salary, a person who own a LLC. He is sole owner of that LLC. You may remember that one member, single member LLC with only one owner of that LLC. And thirdly, person who is self-employed, who is working online, who is earning money from any online platform, he will file this form. So as we are discussing different variants, it's not our concern in this video to discuss 1040 in detail. So I forgot to show you whole 1040 form. So this is the 1040 form: digital assets, standard deductions, dependents, income, and tax and credits, payments, refund. We will write each and everything here, each and every source of our income here in this section. And let's move towards second variant, which is 1040 SR. So here it is the link of Form 1040 SR, US tax return for seniors. Okay, firstly we will have a look on that form. Have you noticed that this form has larger fonts as compared to standard 1040 form? It's in larger size. This form is used by taxpayers who are 65 or older. It has more straightforward layout, making it easier to read and fill out. It has a standard deduction chart at the end of the form, fourth page. In further videos, I will explain what is standard deduction and how it works for different citizens, etc. So next is 1040 NR, 1040 NR. So this is form for non-resident aliens who are not resident and not physically present in USA, they will file their income tax through this form 1040 NR. As it is written on the top left of the form, US non-resident alien tax form. Okay, so have a look at that form. This is quite similar to standard 1040, almost same, but we'll discuss in detail. Next is 1040 ES. 1040, let's have our 1040 ES. Search here. So this is form 1040 ES. It's a long form of about 14 pages. Here we have some instructions how to fill. This form is used by taxpayers to make estimated tax payments throughout the year. It includes worksheets to help taxpayers calculate their estimated tax liability and the amount of each quarterly payments. So this is the form where you have to fill estimated tax worksheet, and here we have different sections. We will discuss in detail further in our series. Payment voucher 4-page 2023 1040 ES. So move towards next variant, which is 1040X. 1040X. So I have in suggestions. So 1040X, let's search it. So this is the 1040X. This form is used if you want to make some corrections or omissions in your previously filed tax return. So we will use form 1040X. It allows taxpayers to correct mistakes or omissions on their original return, such as reporting additional income or claiming additional deductions. If you think you earn more money and you have missed to file on standard 1040, you will use 1040X to correct your previously filed income tax return. Next is 1040C. 1040C. Let's have a look on 1040C. So this is 1040C, taxation for 1040C is used by taxpayers who are leaving the United States for an extended period of time and need to pay any tax liability before they depart. It includes instructions on how to calculate the amount of tax owed and where to send payments. Means that if a person is leaving USA for a extended period of time, he will file 1040C. Next is 1040PR. 1040PR, which is especially for Puerto Rico residents. 1040PR, Schedule H, Household Employee Tax, Puerto Rico version. About. First have and so we don't have that section here. 1040 NR, PR, 40. Let's open this. What will it say? It's taking a short time to open. So this is then Annexo HPR. Okay, so in a nutshell, if we summarize it, we have standard 1040, we have 1040 SR, which is for senior residents age 65 or above. Next is 1040 NR, which is for non-resident aliens, which are non-resident and not present in USA. They will file 1040 NR if they are making income from any US source. Any person who is making income from US source, he will file a tax return. After that, it 1040X, If you have some errors, or if you want to make some corrections or omissions in previously filed tax return, you will use 1040X. After that is 1040C, which is used for US citizens who are living USA for extended period of time. Okay, after that is 1040 PR. This is for Puerto Rico residents. So I want to mention here that it is important also to mention here that these three types of form 1040s are used commonly. Standard form is used, and standard 1040 is used by individuals who are self-employed, who are working on salary or wages, and who own a single member LLC. Single member, as I repeated again and again, single member mean who is sole owner of LLC or LLC with only one ownership. After that is the most commonly used 1040 is 1040 SR. 1040 SR. 1040 SR is for seniors, 1040 NR is for non-resident aliens, 1040 X is for making corrections in your previously filed tax return, C is for 1040 C is for individuals who are leaving US for extended period of time, 1040 PR is for Puerto Rico residents. Hope so you have understand what are different variants of 1040. So I want to make conclusions. The different variants of 1040, as you can see, the IRS has created various versions to cater to different tax situations. Understanding which form to use can save your time, effort, and potential penalties. If you have any question about which form to use or how to fill out a particular form, we will we will tell you all the details. You can leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. uh, Follow our series to learn all about tax returns of USA. Thank you so much.